Let's talk about Hyperkin VR lens protector for HTC Vive 2 set. Protects your front-facing camera lens and inside lenses from scratches. Keeps vision clear and protected. Contains 2 sets of front-facing camera lens protectors, packets of lens cleaning papers and applicator cards. I don't often leave negative reviews as I believe that my experiences are mine alone. In this case, however, I've had to give this 1 star. The screen is incredibly difficult to separate the films on, and it makes no accommodation for a curved lens. This results in bubbles and uneven coverage, often with the edges coming up from the lens. I've taken them off,